Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Your one-step hub to the ethical hacking, penetration testing, and cybersecurity knowledge. It's your host Rajan, and I have something truly exciting to share with you today. So, if you have ever wondered how do hackers and penetration testers use Linux so effortlessly, or why it is used Linux is the ultimate operating system for cybersecurity experts, this sense is for you. This video is not going to be any kind of tutorial video. This video is all about the announcement of my upcoming complete course on Linux. The name is Linux course for penetration testers and hackers. In this course, we'll start from the absolute basics. So even if you have never touched Linux before, you will free to write at your home. But don't worry, if you have already familiar, we'll quickly dive into the advanced topics and that are essential for any ethical hacker or bug bounty hunter. On the next video of this channel, I am about to launch the full course of my Linux playlist course on this channel. It will be the Linux complete and it will be the part of the Linux complete course playlist. So maybe from the new year you will find all of the contents on our channel. So the question is why Linux is essential for hackers. So basically it is the foundation for almost all hacking tools, often servers and systems you will test run Linux. Mastering Linux is the critical for privilege escalation and system exploitation. From running essential tools like Nmap, Metasploit and Hydra to exploiting vulnerabilities, Linux is the backbone of ethical hacking. So what can you expect from this course? Let me break it down for you. So the first thing is basics, command line navigation, file management and user permission. The second one is intermediate, networking, shell scripting, a little bit of shell scripting and process management. And the advanced topic under privilege escalation, penetration testing and the real world attack simulation. And with the practical demos, you will see how to apply every skills in the real world scenario. I'll not only teach you the commands but also explain how they are used in penetration testing. We'll explore tools, attack strategies and even set up our own hacking labs for hands-on practice. Best part of our course will be each video will be focused and packed with actionable knowledge. No unnecessary stuffs will be there, just the tools and techniques you need to become a pro ethical hacker. So now the question is, who is this course for? So the first one is beginner who want to learn Linux from the scratch. This course is for you. Also intermediate users are ready to sharpen their skills for cybersecurity, and anyone interested in ethical hacking, penetration testing or bug bounty hunting, this course is only for you. And also this course is for anyone who is serious about mastering Linux as a penetration tester or as an ethical hacker. So what you can do now, subscribe to the channel, comment below what you are the most excited to learn, share this announcement with anyone interested in hacking or Linux. Let's build a community of cybersecurity enthusiasts who are ready to take their skills to the next level. So that's it for this video. Get ready for the most comprehensive, beginners friendly and action packed Linux course for hackers. I can't wait to see you in the first lesson. Until then, stay curious, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.